Welcome back to our Data Science for Beginners series. Today we're diving into Chapter 4, Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA for short. EDA is a crucial step in the data science process, where we use various techniques to summarize the main characteristics of our data and uncover patterns and insights. In this video, we'll cover descriptive statistics, data visualization techniques using Matplotlib and Seaborn, and how to identify patterns and insights in your data. Let's get started. First, let's talk about descriptive statistics. These are simple summaries of your data, such as measures of central tendency and measures of variability. 1. Measures of central tendency. These include the mean, median, and mode. Example: data, column, dot mean, data, column, dot median, data, column, dot mode. 2. Measures of variability. These include the range, variance, and standard deviation. Example: data, column, dot var, data, column, dot std. 3. Data summarization. Use Pandas to get a quick overview of your data. Example: data.describe. Descriptive statistics give us a good starting point, but to really understand our data, we need to visualize it. Let's move on to data visualization techniques using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Data visualization techniques, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Matplotlib and Seaborn are two powerful Python libraries for creating visualizations. Matplotlib is great for basic plots, while Seaborn builds on Matplotlib and provides a higher-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. 1. Matplotlib. Let's start with a simple line plot. Example: import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and plt.plot, data, column. 2. Bar plots and histograms, useful for comparing categories and understanding distributions. Example: plt.bar, x, height, plt.hist, data, column. 3. Seaborn. Let's create a more complex visualization with Seaborn. Example: import Seaborn as sns.boxplot, x equals column, data equals data. Now that we've covered some basic visualizations, let's discuss how to identify patterns and insights in your data. Identifying patterns and insights. EDA is about exploring your data to find patterns and insights that can inform your analysis and decision-making. 1. Scatter plots, great for identifying relationships between variables. Example: SNS